Hi everyone! Welcome back to Step by Step Japanese. Today we are going to learn かきくけこ. These sounds are just like あいうえお but with a K at the beginning. あ becomes か い becomes き う becomes く え becomes け お becomes こ. So simple, right? Ready to learn. Let's go! This is か. It sounds like ka in cat. Repeat after me. か か か か か. And here's how to write it. This is き. It sounds like ki in keyboard. Say it with me. き き き き き. And here's how to write it. This is く. Like ku in cool. Say it with me. く く く く く. And here's how to write it. This is け. It's like ke in kettle. Let's say it. け け け け け. And here's how to write it. This is こ. Like ko in coffee or koala. Repeat after me. こ こ こ こ こ. And here's how to write it. Next, let's learn some easy words using these sounds. 赤 means red. Let's say it. 赤 赤 赤. 丘 means hill. Let's say it. 丘 丘 丘. 秋 means autumn. Let's say it. 秋 秋 秋. 息 means breath. Let's say it. 息 息 息. 聞く means to listen. Let's say it. 聞く聞く聞く. 行く means to go. Let's say it. 行く行く行く. 聞け is the command form of listen. Let's say it. 聞け聞け聞け. 行け is the command form of go. Let's say it. 行け行け行け. ここ means here, the place where you are now. Let's say it. ここここここ. 声 means voice. Let's say it. 声声声.
赤い丘に立つ君を見た。秋の風に揺れ
Okay, let's check what you remember. I'll give you hints and you say the answer out loud. Ready? Let's start the quiz. Number 1. How do you say red in Japanese? It's 赤. Number 2. How do you say hill in Japanese? It's 丘. Number 3. How do you say autumn in Japanese? It's 秋. Number 4. How do you say breath in Japanese? It's 息. Number 5. How do you say to listen in Japanese? It's 聞く. Number 6. How do you say to go in Japanese? It's 行く. Number 7. How do you say listen command in Japanese? It's 聞け. Number 8. How do you say go command in Japanese? It's 行け. Number 9. How do you say here in Japanese? It's ここ. Number 10. How do you say voice in Japanese? It's 声. Great job! You remembered so many words today. If you missed some, watch the lesson again and try the quiz one more time. Step by step, your Japanese will get better.